Alright, today was Apple WWDC. If you don't know what that means, is an annual conference where Apple announces new product. And today I've never been so excited than I am because the new product that they released, I am just blown away. And this is something that I personally have been waiting for a very long time, or let's just say it's just hit my jackpot. And that is the new MacBook Air 15-inch. Let's just dive in right away on check what are the specs of this laptop and why I bought this laptop. For a long time, I've been a Windows user on a personal machine, but for work, I do use a MacBook, but I am now switching to this one because this MacBook Air, number one, the price range is just unbeatable. Even if you compare to the performance of M2 to other laptop, I don't think you can get close to what the M2 offers. I mean, Apple have shown that the MacBook Air is something that is worth getting. If you are someone who is very conservative and always on a budget, you can get a MacBook Air. So myself, I bought this, and let's look at the specs of this one. You can get it on Midnight, you can get it on Starlight, Space Gray, as well as Silver, so depending on which color you like. I'm going for the base model. I think with the M2 performance, I am okay on running DaVinci on this one. At the end of the day, if it doesn't work, we know we're going to return it. But I am going to get the base model with the 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU. I don't even have 10-core GPU on this one. So DaVinci Resolve uses GPU, and I think with 10-core GPU is enough with what I want, because DaVinci doesn't really use a memory, it sacrifices the GPUs. And for the storage, perhaps the storage might slow down my workflow, but I will go set up the NAS, and I'll be using a NAS instead of using internal SSD to store every other stuff that I do, especially with video editing. So this should be enough, and the price tag is $1,299 US. And we do have a 1080p Face ID, which is good. I mean, if you're doing the internal camera on the MacBook, I mean, they're not great, but it's all right. And it comes with a MagSafe 3 for fast charging, and it comes with two Thunderbolt USB ports, and this is a USB-C, which is good. Comes with 4 ports, and I only have 2 ports on this one, so that's again. And if you look at the price that I bought this laptop comes at $1,700, and the MacBook Air is $1,300. Man, this is a saving for me, because if I look at the price of this one, the price that I'm paying for this new one, it's just unbeatable because of the performance. Remember, I'm going for the performance. I'm not going for because it's Apple or whatever. No, because what is being offered is something that is unbeatable right now on the market for this entry-level laptop. All right, pick up at the store. Hope you learned something. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.